Hello, good morning.
Hello po, good morning.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Clariel Tagara, 32 years old, single, and I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters, and I'm the eldest.
Okay. Are you a high school or college graduate?
High school graduate only, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any experience in working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country?
In Saudi Arabia, ma'am.
For how long?
For 5 months only, ma'am.
Why it's only for 5 months?
Because my employer is always hitting me and she didn't want to feed me.
Okay, what are your main duties with them?
To prepare food and cooking and ironing clothes, washing clothes, and to accompany the 2 children in their school every day.
Okay. Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because of the high salary, and I know Hong Kong is good and the people also there.
Okay, do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
Steamed fish, steamed chicken, chop suey.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take off a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them to be a good person, and I will teach them how to write and see.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay. What kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I'm honest, hardworking, and helpful, ma'am.
Can you give a short message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am, sir. Please give me a chance to work with you, and I will do all my best to ensure the safety of your family members, and I'm willing to finish my 2 years contract with you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Okay, thank you.